Hi Van, thank you for the opportunity to shoot this customized video for you. I did some pretty detailed research on van landscaping and wanted to share with you everything that I came up with. So let's jump in. When your future customers are searching Google for your services and they type in, let's say, landscape Seattle, what the first thing that comes up in the results is what's called the map pack. That is right here. Now, ideally, we want businesses to be in the top 3 spots of the map pack because that's all that the results immediately show when they're doing a search. Now, I did check through all of the listings and I did not see van landscaping in there. So my best guess is that there is not a Google My Business registration for van landscaping. This is something that is easily attainable to get. You get the business listing, you add in citations, the business information, pictures, and so forth, and it would definitely get you into the map pack, and then you could take the necessary steps to go up the rankings and get you into one of these top 3 spots. Now, the second thing that search goers see is what's called the organic listings. So just below this map pack I was talking about are the organic listings, which are websites. Now, I did go through several pages and did not see van landscaping. I went to about the 4th page, and I'll be honest with you, that's where I stopped. Because the fact of the matter is, anyone searching for our product or a service is not going to be searching down through many pages of Google. That's just not how it works. People searching for something, they go with someone on the front page, and generally the higher the better in the rankings. So what I went ahead and did next was I pulled up your site, as well as your number 1 competitor, who is Lee's General Landscaping, so that we could take a little more in-depth look at exactly what's going on and go from there. So now here's your site. I love how it's got a click to quote button. It immediately knows who I am. It comes up with a contact ability right away. That's great. The picture looks nice. You know, some really good stuff going on here. The colors are great. You've got your logo. It looks nice. All of these things. Now, what I would suggest is a little more detail on your services. Services are key to put right underneath your main header, which is what you've done, and that's really great. But just a little more in-depth detail about each service would help tremendously. Let me explain to you what Google does. Google has a crawler that goes over every single website on the internet all day long, constantly. And what Google wants to see in their algorithm is 1,500 words of command content on the main homepage of any website. Within that 1,500 words of command content, what they also would want to see is organic keywords. Now, I did pull the numbers on your site, and you are at about 629 words. So you're about, just under halfway there. Definitely want to get about 800 to 900 more words of good content added to your page, and that would help tremendously. Now, there are keywords thrown in here and that are bolded. Well, I think that was the thought that was happening here, but these are not keywords that are bolded. So what you want to do is keywords such as van landscaping Seattle, Washington, landscaping Seattle, Washington, landscaping services Seattle, all of those things. Those are keywords. Now, what keywords are the terms that people are inputting into Google. Because if they match what's on your site, then Google says, oh, they've got the content that the searcher is looking for, and then they rank you higher. Those are the words that you want to bold, not call and quality service and things like that. Because when people are searching for your service, they're not going to type in quality service into Google expecting to find a landscape company. Okay, so then what I did is I went ahead and I pulled your top competitor site as well, and that's Lee's Landscaping. Now, immediately upon pulling up their site. Yours is far better in the fact that you've got visuals and more explanation. This is a lot to start out with, and this is just not ideal as far as formatting goes. Now, what I went ahead and did, these look really nice, and they've got their services right below their header, like I was explaining, so that's really important. Now, I pulled their numbers as well, and they're sitting at about 865 words, so they've got a little more as far as command content goes. They don't have a whole lot of keywords going on, and what that tells me is that this site could absolutely be beaten by yours with some adjusting and reformatting on your site. Now, what I also went ahead and did was pulled my web crawler program to give us more factual data about what's going on with each site. So let me explain to you. Here's your site to begin with. The two most important factors are your UR and your DR. Your UR is your trust rating, your DR is your power rating. How these two numbers are configured is by your backlinks. What a backlink is essentially a shout out from another site. Another site has a link that takes them from their site to your site, and what that does is, number one, gains you exposure, and number two, gains you credibility. Now, with backlinks, all backlinks are not created equal. When it comes to the realm of backlinks, you definitely want to have quality over quantity at all times. The more high quality the backlink is, the more power it's going to give to your site. Now, it doesn't look like there's any organic keywords like I was talking about just a little bit ago that are filtered throughout your site. So with everything here considered, this is actually not bringing you any traffic to your site each month by what you've got currently going on. Now, when I take a look at your competitor site, what they've got going on is, again, here is their trust factor, here is their power rating, and they've got 391 backlinks. Now, the backlinks, what this tells me is the backlinks must not be that powerful, because if they've got that many backlinks, they should have higher ratings than this. So they just must have quality or quantity over quality here, and that's not the way to go. So they do have 513 organic keywords sprinkled throughout their command content, which is great. And what's happening with their overall picture is they are getting an organic traffic rating of 473, meaning 473 folks a month are searching for Landscape Seattle, and they are clicking on their site, retaining their services, and they are getting the business. So just kind of a quick recap with a creation of a map pack listing, a Google My Business listing for Van Landscape, including citations, information, pictures, and so forth. Then moving on to your site, adding 1,500 or additional words to get you up to that 1,500 words of command content, inputting the correct keywords, bolding the correct keywords, adding some more information underneath your services, and then with the backlink, it's adding some more powerful backlinks into your site. Of course, the keywords will already be included on the reconstruction of the website that we just went over. All things considered, with all of that, there's absolutely no reason why you could not outrank and beat them out in their current position. With that being said, that would then bring you all of this traffic every single month and would knock them out of their position. So I hope this has been very helpful. I hope it's been valuable. I hope it all made sense. I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video, and I would certainly appreciate some feedback.